My name is Ambassador Dr. Arikana Chihombori Quoa. I'm the African Union Ambassador to the United States, based here in Washington, D.C. We just came out of an amazing event that was held here at the African Union Mission in Washington, D.C. Our guests today were Akon, our famous Akon, the musician from Senegal, and Jesse Holland, who is the author of the companion novel for Black Panther. It was an amazing event. Akon gave us an amazing view of the way he would like to see his Africa, his way. He called upon all of us, African diaspora, to come together. He reminded us that it starts with us coming together and it ends with us coming together. That unless we come together and unless we take the time to have a conversation with the image in the mirror and truly ask ourselves, am I colonized? Am I suffering from the legacy of colonialism? And we must answer those questions to ourselves and be honest with ourselves. It is only then and only then can true change come to Africa. And true change to come to Africa, it has to be brought by us, for us, because all along, they have been building the Africa that they want from afar. Now, game is up. We have got to come together and build the Africa that we, the Africans, want. And that journey begins here.